Want to know how to send a gift to your friends or to any players in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you have opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're on this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing your friend's icon right here, and that will be right beside settings. So once you have targeted that, here it should show the friends that you have. So you can just simply directly send a gift by selecting a friend and selecting send gift, or you can just simply sort up the player name, and now you can just simply select their name, and here you should be seeing send gift. So you can simply select it, and now you can see the gift request is large, medium or small, just like this right here, and you can send these points right here, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.